Hello everyone, today we are reviewing this pressure washer. Looks like it comes with a really nice battery. Cables, lines, and everything. We'll set this up and see. This is going to go down in a water bucket. This should connect to the actual unit. Hose, spray bottle if you want to use foaming soap, power charging cable for the battery, and this is the unit itself. So this is what it looks like. Looks like it's got a display on the back there. Pretty cool. So this is pretty cool. You can change the pressure by pressing up or down, which is really cool. This is a quick breakdown of how it gets put together. Number one, you put in the extension nozzle, push it in, twist it, lock it in place. Number two, you put on this piece. Number three, you thread this piece off, put the line through that piece, connect it right on there, and then thread this back on. Really simple, really easy. Connect this piece onto here and put this in, submerge it in water, and then you're ready to go. You can also turn the extension nozzle for different degrees or settings, as you can see right on here. Might take a little while for the air to get out of the line, so just press and hold it. Definitely has more power than most other battery units that we've tested in the past. So overall, I actually really like this one more than most that I've reviewed. So this one is definitely going in our garage.